Now, any time is a good time to start juicing because the health benefits are numerous, ranging from improving your digestive health to increasing your body's ability to repair itself and bolstering your immune system, and of course, to greatly improve your intake of nutrients. However, as with any new routine, sticking with your juicing habit can be hard. Follow these 8 tips to help make juicing a part of your daily diet for years to come. Choose a quality juicer, as poor quality machines can be more difficult to use and may yield a lower quality juice, quickly making the entire process unappealing. Cheap juicers are also more prone to breaking and clogging, which can completely stop your budding love for juicing right in its tracks. Set up a juicing plan, since one of the most common mistakes people make when starting a juicing lifestyle is failing to account for the extra effort. You need to wash your ingredients and cut them to the appropriate size for your machine. Since there may be little time for this in the morning, consider prepping the night or even a few days before. Another pitfall that can lead to the abandonment of juicing is a simple lack of ingredients. If, when you're ready to make juice, you don't have any fresh produce on hand, it makes the entire process harder than it needs to be. Make sure you keep a fresh supply of fruits and vegetables in your fridge so that you can focus on solidifying the habit instead of the obstacles in front of you. Make sure you choose ingredients that are both easy to juice and that you enjoy, and also be sure to learn how to choose complementary flavors. Even though kale is loaded with nutrients, you're unlikely to stick to juicing if you hate the taste. But there are many tasty additions that can help mask the taste of kale, so you can get the nutrients while still enjoying the juice. Apples, lemons, limes, grapefruits, pears, and ginger are all great additions to make the primary stars, like spinach, kale, or broccoli, taste great in your juice. Now, before you push that fruit through your juicer, stop and consider this. Fruit is very high in sugar, and you can easily go into calorie and sugar overload with just a couple of glasses a day, negating the whole point of juicing. Avoid the shock of weight gain and sugar overload by making your juices primarily from vegetables. Choose low-sugar fruits like apples and berries and use them in moderation. As great as juices are for your health, they're no replacement for whole food. Many new juicers attempt to substitute complete meals with a juice blend for days on end, which doesn't supply enough calories to keep you fueled throughout the day. This can lead to fatigue and hunger, and this negative association to juicing, well, that can easily result in abandoning your new healthy habit. Buy an airtight container to store your juice. Being able to make enough for a couple of days saves time and makes the whole juicing thing much easier. Purchasing a thermos allows you to take your juice with you wherever you go, so drinking it can become a part of your daily activities. Sticking with a new juicing routine can be difficult if you don't plan in advance. Use our tips and focus on identifying the biggest issues you face and develop methods to overcome them, and you'll make your new juicing habit stick for a lifetime.